to the 13th Conference of Parties of the Convention on Migratory Species at Gandhinagar, the land of Mahatma Gandhi. India is one of the most diverse countries of the world. With 2.4% of world's land area, it contributes about 8% of the known global biodiversity. India is blessed with diverse ecological habitats and also has 4 biodiversity hotspots. They are the Eastern Himalayas, Western Ghats, Indo-Myanmar landscape, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In addition, India is also home to around 500 species of migratory birds from across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, for ages, conservation of wildlife and habitats has been a part of the cultural ethos of India, which encourages compassion and coexistence. Our Vedas spoke of protection of animals. Emperor Ashoka put great emphasis on preventing the destruction of forests and the killing of animals. Inspired by Gandhiji, the ethos of non-violence and protection of animals and nature has been suitably enshrined in the Constitution of India. It also finds reflection in several laws and legislations. Sustained efforts over the years have led to encouraging results. The number of protected areas have increased from 745 in 2014 to 870 in the year 2019, with an area coverage of nearly 1,70,000 square kilometers. India's forest cover has increased significantly. The present assessment also indicates that the total forest cover is 21.67% of the total geographical area of the country. India has been championing climate action based on the values of conservation, sustainable lifestyle, and green development model. The range of our initiatives include ambitious target of 450 megawatt in renewable energy, push towards electric vehicles, smart cities, conservation of water. The International Solar Alliance, the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, and Industry's Transition Leadership with Sweden have seen encouraging participation from wide array of countries. India is one of the few countries whose actions are compliant with the Paris Agreement goal of keeping rise in temperature to below 2 degrees Celsius. Friends, India has initiated Focus Species Conservation Projects program. These have shown great results. The number of tiger reserves has increased from 9 since its formative years to 50 at present. At present, India has the distinction of having a population of almost 2,970 tigers. India has achieved its target of doubling the number of tigers 2 years before the committed date of 2022. I call upon tiger range countries present here and also others to come together to strengthen tiger conservation through sharing of benchmarking practices. India is supporting more than 60% of global Asian elephant population. 30 elephant reserves have been identified by our states. India has also taken several initiatives and set standards for conservation of Asian elephants. We have launched Project Snow Leopard to protect the snow leopard and its habitat in the upper Himalayas. India recently hosted the steering committee of the Global Snow Leopard Ecosystem Program of 12 countries, which resulted in New Delhi Declaration envisaging development of country-specific framework and cooperation between countries for snow leopard conservation. I am happy to share that India would be taking a leadership role in promoting green economy, including conservation of mountain ecology with people's participation. Friends, the Gir landscape in Gujarat is the only home for the Asiatic lion and the pride of the country. We have initiated an Asiatic lion conservation project since January 2019 to protect the Asiatic lion. I am happy to share that today the population of Asiatic lions stands at 523. In India, the one-horned rhinoceros are found in 3 states of Assam, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. The government of India launched the National Conservation Strategy for the Indian one-horned rhinoceros in the year 2019. The great Indian bustard, are critically endangered birds, has also been at the focus of our conservation efforts.